These are the Retainer Cleaners Extra Strength Cleaning Tablets by Wise Naturals. I was thrilled to receive a sample of these as my daughters have Invisalign aligners. Some of the things I want to point out is that these are persulfate-free, and the package comes with 30 cleaning tablets. And it says that it kills 99% of common odor-causing bacteria. And so this particular formulation is in the grape scented tablets, and these are very easy to use. And so here are the steps. It says drop 1 tablet into warm, not hot water enough to cover the appliance. Place the appliance into the bubbling purple solution, and then let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes and take it out. And then it'll be clean, sterilized, and odor-free. And if you have really tough stains, you will want to soak it overnight. And then when you're done, you rinse the appliance in your hands thoroughly under running water. And then you just pat dry with a clean cloth, and it's ready for use. And so basically, these are the different things that you can use these tablets for: clear retainers, wire retainers, clear aligners, which we have, sports mouth guards, night guards, bruxism appliances, TMJ appliances, and dentures. So a wide variety of appliances. And then it says, why persulfate free? What's so special about that? You avoid allergic reactions, safer for appliance, environmentally friendly, and it has no chemical aftertaste. And I will say that based on my daughter's experience, it does not have a bad aftertaste at all. So this is what they look like. They come in these individually wrapped packages. And so we will go ahead and clean her aligners as they are in need of a cleaning. I have my water here. It's already warm water. And then this is the package. And I'll show you what the tablets look like. This is what the tablets look like. They're colored on one side and white on the other. You just drop it in the water and it just starts fizzing. You just let that dissolve. And then I'll just show you her aligners. While that's going, you can see that they're kind of have a little buildup, kind of cruddy looking. So they're definitely in need of a cleaning. And you see that it's bubbling really good right now. And all you do is put these in there and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna let these sit, and then we'll take a look at how they look afterwards. Okay, so the 15 to 20 minutes is up, and you can see they're nice and clear and shiny. So we are really pleased with these. Definitely a go-to, because both of my teen daughters have Invisalign, and we will make good use of these. So I highly recommend these if you're looking for something to clean your dental appliance that's really easy and efficient.